So the latest toy I've got is this, a metal detector. I haven't got a very expensive one, I've just got a little one to play with, and it didn't cost too much. It comes in pieces. The metal detector itself, and it takes 2 PP3 batteries in there, and the coil of the detector used to pick up metal objects. This part which you hold and rest under your arm. It's got some instructions, some other components, the body, the rod of the detector itself. This one also came with headphones and a little pouch. And this contains a little fold out shovel for when you find something, and then you can also shovel it all back and make it good afterwards. This metal detector is just for playing around, it's not really for serious metal detectorists. So I'll be interested to see exactly if it can actually find anything. First of all, that goes in there. I'll locate that on there and then turn this around to get that going, and then I can put it on. Next, we have to unscrew this component, put it down the tube, and slide this component over the tube. Now that then screws back over it and tightens it up as we screw it up. It's important though to make sure that these little holes, there's 2 holes there, that they're vertical, because eventually this component is going to sit on there. I don't want it on the side, so that's correct. And just tighten that up. And this fits on, and it fits on that way round. That is the correct way for a metal detector. That's the head, the coil, and this component fits on in that direction. I'll line it up carefully. Okay, and we've got 2 of these, and they fit in through under there. There's 2 of them. And they're screwing to this component. In fact, the shape of this hole means that it fits on a lug there and then pushes forward. Now that's pushed forward, it's just located in using these. Screw them right in. The final part of the setup is to connect this lead to the detector itself. So there's a lead like that. I think that's called a DIM plug, and that needs to secure right in there. Just wrapping this round a few times just to make it neat and tidy, and then plug it in. This unit takes 2 PP3 batteries. You plug in there. And these are the controls. So there's an on-off switch, and that also alters the sensitivity apparently. There's a volume control. You can plug headphones into there, a low battery warning indicator, and this detects different types of metal. So fairly straightforward, this one. Then when we come to use it, you hold this 2 to 5 inches above the ground and you sweep from side to side, moving forward in arcs as you go. And then it beeps when it finds something. Well, that's the idea. like here. So it is doing it, and there's something here. So I'll now dig that up. And if you've got a pinpointer, you would use that to find exactly what it is. But that's what I've got. Something I buried earlier. It's my treasure. 20 pence.